We divide 960 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 960 divided by 5 is 192. So this much for today and thanks for watching.